Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Having trouble connecting remotely to your server? This week, we're diving into the crucial topic of how to fix all remote desktop connection not working on server. Whether you're trying to access work files from home or handle server maintenance, a seamless connection is vital. So let's explore some practical solutions to get you connected smoothly and efficiently. Step 1. Check network connection. Before diving into complex solutions, ensure your network connection is stable. Verify that both your client device and server have a reliable internet connection. Unplug and replug cables, reset your router, or even try a different network to rule out connectivity issues. Restarting the modem or router is often the simplest fix for common connection problems. Step 2. Verify remote desktop setting. Your server's setting is the backbone for remote access. Log into the server locally and go to the control panel. Navigate to System, then Remote Settings. Ensure that Allow Remote Connections to this computer is enabled. This quick check can save you from hours of unnecessary troubleshooting. Also, make sure the network level authentication setting matches with your client settings for seamless connectivity. Step 3. Firewall and antivirus configuration. Next, let's ensure your firewall isn't the culprit. Firewalls and antivirus programs sometimes block remote desktop connections. Access your firewall settings to add an exception for remote desktop protocol using port 3389. This must be enabled for remote access to function correctly. Remember, if you're using third-party antivirus software, similar exceptions might be necessary there too. Step 4. Update Windows and drivers. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Check for Windows updates on both your client and server machines. Install any pending updates that could be causing disconnection issues. Additionally, outdated network adapter drivers can create obstacles. Update these drivers through the device manager to ensure they're not causing your headaches. Step 5. Configure DNS and IP addresses. Misconfigured DNS or IP settings can hinder your remote connection effort. Double check that both the client and server are using the correct DNS settings. For more stable connections, consider using static IP addresses. This can prevent IP conflicts and make sure your device knows exactly where to connect. Step 6. Look for remote desktop services issues. Ensure that the remote desktop services are running on your server. Open the Services app, find Remote Desktop Services, and make sure its status is running. If not, right-click and select Start or Restart. Occasionally, services can stop due to various reasons like recent updates or computational hiccup. By following these 6 straightforward steps, you'll likely resolve any issues with your remote desktop connection to your server. Ensuring a stable network, double-checking settings, and keeping software updated are key to smooth troubleshooting. Remember, technology should make your life easier, not harder. Safe and happy computing, and until next time, enjoy a seamless remote connection to your server.